IBM just released a press release so thick with corporate jargon it could qualify as enterprise middleware. One commenter translated the whole thing in 6 words: "Fine, we'll support ARM too." The plan is to run ARM workloads inside their mainframes via virtualization, not replace anything. But someone pointed out you can still run unmodified 1960s binaries on modern mainframes, making any architecture switch extremely painful. Meanwhile, half the thread devolved into people genuinely asking what IBM even does anymore. One commenter suggested calling the partnership IBM ARM64, or IA64 for short. So IBM's big announcement is that they'll let you run ARM code on their mainframe, which is basically a very expensive Raspberry Pi with a support contract.